There is just nothing like using seasonal ingredients. So today, Sarah and I are going to make some spinach in padella. And here I'm gonna cut just a little bit of garlic. We have sliced the garlic, and now we really need to wash the spinach well. You see there is some soil in the leaves, so you wanna wash it well and then allow it to still stay wet before we put it in the pan. We thoroughly washed the spinach, but as you can see, it's still nice and wet. Now in this preheated pan, we're going to put the olive oil in and a few hot pepper flakes, as well as the garlic that we cut nice and thinly. The garlic is sizzling. Now we're gonna get this wet spinach, put it right in here, and this is going to make a very simple, flavorful, delicious side dish that will be a perfect accompaniment to any dish. We're gonna put the lid on and place it inside the oven. The oven has been preheating. We're gonna put the pan in and allow the spinach to wilt for just a few minutes. While the spinach is in the oven, we're also gonna toast these pine nuts, and we will serve the pine nuts right on top of the spinach. Let's slide this pan right next to the other one and keep a close eye on it as the pine nuts are toasting. We're gonna give the pine nuts a quick toss. They're already starting to get shiny. You just have to keep a close eye on it so they won't burn. Our pine nuts are ready to come out. Let's look at our spinach. And oh yes, look at there. It has wilted beautifully. And almost forgot, we need to put a little bit of salt on it. And here we are, just in a few minutes. And the spinach has almost disappeared, but it is absolutely delicious as a side dish. I'm gonna place it in this serving dish and also put the pine nuts on top, as well as all these little bits of garlic. We'll finish everything off with these pine nuts, just like so. A nice drizzle of olive oil, and for those who wish, some lemon juice, some fresh lemon juice. And here is a beautiful side dish that is absolutely delicious. Buon appetito!